Hello and welcome to the topic Cultural Transmission as a Property of Language, Lecture 5. Cultural Transmission. What will happen if a newborn child is abandoned in a forest far away from any human contact? Will he be able to learn any language? Will he be able to communicate with anyone? Undoubtedly not. It is true that we humans are born with an innate predisposition to acquire language, but it is also true that we humans are not born with the ability to produce utterances in a specific language, such as English, Arabic, Hindi, or any other languages. We didn't speak any language at the time of birth. God didn't make it happen so. Our learning of language is the outcome of our social interaction. We speak particular language such as English, Arabic, Hindi, Urdu, or Indonesian just because we live in a society in which people use that particular language. It is the result of our cultural association. We may inherit brown eyes and dark hair from our parents, but we do not necessarily inherit their language. We acquire a language in a culture with other speakers and not from our parental genes. An infant born to Korean parents who is adopted and brought up from birth by English speakers in the United States will inevitably speak English. This process, whereby language is passed on from one generation to the next, is described as cultural transmission. Thus, cultural transmission of a specific language is crucial in the human acquisition process. Hope you get the lesson. Thank you and goodbye.